My biggest problem with YouTube is that I want to be the filmer, the recorder, the main person. So I want to be everyone. And that is really hard to do because, you know, I don't have any filmer. I'm not a professional. So that is why I've been looking into this for many months now. And I decided to buy an Insta360. This is the One X2. I got it off eBay for only $200. And thank you to whoever sold this to me. If you see this video. Oh my goodness. It is in very good shape. I cannot believe how cheap this was. Look at that. It's beautiful. So the idea of an Insta360 camera is that it can take videos in 360 degrees. And that's really nice because that way I can film my own videos, especially with the selfie stick. If I hook up a selfie stick to this, the camera won't see the selfie stick. So it'll just be like I'll have a drone recording me or a personal recorder, but it will just be me, just like I've always wanted. There's a little accessories box in here. Let's see what comes with it. Oh yes, I was hoping it'd come with one of these. Yeah, this is just a fabric pouch for it. It'll keep it super safe and stuff. It comes with a USB-C charging cable. We've got a quick start guide. Papers. This cloth. Ooh, a snack. I'll save that for later. This camera is going to be awesome. Let's see it in action. So I put a battery in it. I put a micro SD chip in it. So this is the video and audio directly from the Insta360 One X2. To me, on this little screen, it looks pretty good. It's a little bit warped on the edges, but that's just because it's an action camera. This is going to be so cool. Let's test it outside. Alright, so I put the camera on a selfie stick. That way it might get that like invisible look that I'm going for. I'm going to extend the selfie stick and then we'll see how it looks. Let's do this. So much fun. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Let me know any video ideas you have in the comments because I'm running out of ideas so quick. And please like the video. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. Okay, yeah, I will. Please subscribe. I'm really working on trying to get to 100 subscribers this month. I hope you liked the video. Check out this video if you want to know more about RC cars, which is normally what I do on my channel. And I will see you guys in that video.